Stop. If you're thinking about buying best AI models, there's something you need to know first. This isn't just another AI tool. It's a lifetime all-access pass to 21 of the world's most powerful AI models, with no monthly fees, ever. Instead of paying $200 to $500 every month for ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, and others, Best AI Models gives you all of them in one dashboard. Claude Fable 5, GPT 5.6 Sol, Gemini 3.5 Flash, DeepSeek V4 Pro, Kimi K2.6, Grok 4, plus every future release automatically added to your account. And if you grab Best AI Models through my link below this video, you'll unlock my exclusive bonus package worth $599, free. What is Best AI Models? It's a unified AI workspace where you can switch between 21 elite models instantly, compare outputs side by side and generate content, code, ads, funnels, blogs and more, all from one clean dashboard. No subscriptions, no limits. Just pure multi-model AI power. Benefits, why people are interested. Lifetime access. Pay once, use forever. Multi-model power. Claude, GPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Kimi, Grok, all included. Future-proof. Every new model added automatically. All in one dashboard, no juggling logins or subscriptions. Commercial license. Use outputs for client work and keep 100% profit. Inside, Best AI Models you're getting. Full access to 21 plus AI models, built-in prompt library and content engine, smart output optimization, side-by-side model comparison, lightning-fast performance and commercial rights included. Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep this review completely honest. Pros: manage multiple AI models from one dashboard. Access different models for different strengths. Commercial license. Use outputs for client work without extra fees. No coding, API keys or complex setup. Money-back guarantee. 30-day refund reduces risk. Cons: AI outputs should be checked before publishing. Success still depends on skills, strategy and effort. Some features rely on ongoing support and upgrades. Results. What to expect? Expect faster workflows, better outputs and lower costs. Freelancers. Deliver client projects with multiple AI strengths. Agencies. Scale services without stacking subscriptions. Entrepreneurs. Build products, funnels and content businesses quickly. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab Best AI Models through the link below. Bonus 1: Ultimate AI Prompt Vault. Value: $299. 300 plus ready-to-use prompts for YouTube scripts, sales pages, ads, emails, blogs, product descriptions and social content. Just copy, paste, customize, save hours every week. Bonus 2: AI Freelancer and Agency Blueprint. Value: $300. Step-by-step roadmap to monetize AI. Choose profitable gigs, price services, find high-paying clients, deliver quality work and build recurring income streams. Total bonus value: $599. Yours free when you get Best AI Models through my link today. So, is Best AI Models worth it? If you're tired of paying monthly for single AI tools and want unlimited access to the world's best models in one place, then yes, Best AI Models is absolutely worth it. It's not just software, it's a complete AI arsenal. Click the first link in the description to secure Best AI Models plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next review.